My journey with Matsuura probably started maybe 30 years ago when I used to work on machine tools, and I was lucky enough to get one when I was a horizontal machine and centre worker, and basically worked out straight away that they're a nice piece of equipment, and you need to rely on them, and the accuracy's always there, and so when I eventually bought Kale myself and wanted the best for the people who work for us, I thought really need to try and buy Matsuura myself, and they're extremely reliable.
If they do go wrong, which I know they don't very often, what sort of response do you get from the team there?
Matsuura, again, very, very good, yeah. But I've got to be honest, right, we very rare have to call the service department. If we do, 9 times out of 10, they'll help us over the phone and we'll fix things that way.
Right. My boys said that these machines are the best, so...
Are they right?
As well, you can see the whole place is full of Matsuura machines now. We don't have any other kind of milling machines. I mean, it sits there all day, every day. It doesn't ask for overtime, it doesn't ask for a pension, it doesn't go for a cup of coffee, it doesn't give you any cheek, so it's fine by me. It's been a roaring success. We can have these things going at the weekend when nobody else is here.
Yeah, it was one of the things that are probably one of the selling points for the machine, the guaranteed 95% uptime, which I don't think many other manufacturers can offer you that.
The engineering expertise which enabled them to turnkey this in a way that nobody else offered you. But secondly, the fact that if you had a problem, they were guaranteeing you they'd be here next day.
Yes, they're guaranteed next day turnaround, and the support from Matsuura is that, in my view, is tremendous. I've never experienced it before. Also, the support from Matsuura as well. I don't think we would be where we are today if we hadn't have had that support.
You went to Emo to look for a machine when you first thought about going on this journey, and you had 10 or 15 manufacturers on your list to go and look at. These guys weren't one of them, were they?
No, there wasn't, no, because we didn't think we could afford one, to be honest with you. We just thought it was out of our league. Which was wrong. I was wrong to think that, but... Because
of the fact that it's given you such a good return on investment, because these machines are essentially almost like a parts vending machine, aren't they? Elaborate on that.
Well, that was how Dom sold the machine to me, and that struck a chord with me straight away, really.
We've already got Matsuuras in the business, and obviously with that partnership that we'd already kicked off, the choice for these machines fitted what we wanted, but also the service that we got from them obviously pointed us in that direction.
So why did you choose the 850s from Matsuura, the MXs?
Well, the Matsuura is really, it's down to the service, it's down to the work that we've been able to do with Matsuura based on, we've looked at our work holding earlier. It's all about the working with the machine tool supplier to actually get what we need from them.
And we pride ourselves on delivery and quality, hence the reason we've got the Matsuura machines.
The build quality was phenomenal. I'm very, very pleased with the support we've had from Matsuura as well.
Matsuura, they always seem to be expensive, but having looked around, we found it to be not as dear as you perhaps think. For the value of service you get in the machine, and really do get good value for money, we feel. That's why we decided to go for it.
So we selected Matsuura after quite an extensive selection process, and really it was their ability to provide us with a one-stop shop solution to our needs. The machines is fantastic in terms of accuracy, repeatability and the functionality that they deliver, but what really put Matsuura above the rest was their ability to deliver it within our timescales and to provide the complete solution to us.
I've been using Matsuuras for over 14 years, never had an issue with them. I think they are second to none in the machine tool market, definitely.
Well, Brett, thank you very much for your time.
Well, looking around you can see that we have a number of the Matsuura machines anyway, but the support and service we get from Matsuura is great. They're on site if we have a problem. They're always on the end of the phone to help if it's something simple.
And did sort of precision, accuracy, repeatability, speed come into it too?
Oh, every single one of those. I mean, they were a given basically.
But what you get back is great service, great applications, great backup from Matsuura, great runtime off the machines, all into one. It's a good saving per month.